Lately I've been feeling a kind of abandonment that's hard to explain. Not because anyone did something wrong, but after deep loss, the world goes back to sunshine and trains, while I'm standing in the wreckage alone. The calls come less, the check-ins fade. Life moves on like it's unafraid, and I'm left holding the aftermath, learning how to breathe without my child. The presence that once surrounded me slowly fades into memory, and I'm still learning how to stand in a world that didn't stop when my son did. Grief has a way of stirring up old wounds, layers already tender breaking through. It's not blame, it's not a cry to be saved, it's just the truth of the price I paid. I'm still here, still grieving, still finding my footing somehow. The casserole stops showing up, but my heart's still crying out loud. When the noise dies down and the quiet comes in, that's when I feel it the most. I lost my son, and that kind of love is a love you don't outgrow. I'm still here, still breathing, even when I don't know how. Grief is doing what grief does when the world wanders back to its regularly scheduled programming. People don't mean to disappear, but intention doesn't cancel impact, and the impact is brutal. It rearranged my nervous system, changed how safe this world can feel. It exposed who could walk with me long term, and who was only built for emergencies. And that familiar abandonment feeling whispers, here we go again. Whole grief teaming up with new grief, but that doesn't mean it's true. It just means my heart is on high alert and exhausted from the weight of you. Sometimes I say I'm fine and force a smile so they won't see how silence feels like nobody cares, when really they just don't know how deep. I'm still here, still grieving, still standing in the aftermath, still learning how to live again with this ache that always lasts. If you know someone who's lost a child, remember them when it gets quiet. Connection is the oxygen when the nights feel like a riot. I'm still here, still loving, even with my heart in pieces now. And when I see those red birds outside my window in the morning light, I swear it's you just stopping by. They sit so still like heaven's whisper on the breeze, and for a moment I can breathe. Maybe you're telling me, Mama, I'm okay, don't you see? So I hold that sign like it's your hand in mine. This isn't blame or a call to be rescued. It's reflection, it's survival, it's love that never left the room. You rearranged my world, my son, but you didn't take my strength. I'm a warrior running on fumes, still singing through the pain. And I'm still here, still grieving, still telling the truth. still here, still breathing, still.